Our screens are filled with his voice, bold, raw, and unfiltered.
We're very innocent men, and in time everybody's going to see that, and we're very...
Some call him arrogant, others call him inspiring. But behind the fame and controversy, there's a story most people never hear.
A controversial social media influencer, Andrew Tate.
Before we dive in, make sure you hit that follow button, because this story might just change how you see discipline forever. Our generation has seen many fighters, but none quite like Andrew Tate, a man who went from world kickboxing champion to millionaire businessman to one of the most viral names on the internet. But here's what most people don't see. His rise wasn't built on comfort. It was built on discipline. He grew up with very little money. His father, a chess master, taught him strategy, but life wasn't easy. Tate often speaks about being broke.
Given an easy life, I never had anyone in my life who was saying, don't worry, okay, to just be this guy. I was told the opposite all the time. I don't know if the fire inside of me is any bigger than it is inside of every other man. And I think that every man at home watching this, if they don't have the things they want in life, should feel a degree of resentment towards themselves or disappointment, understanding that they have the same desire and drive that I have. They just allowed themselves to be psyoped out of it.
After the championships, after the fame, Tate lost it all. Broke, forgotten, stripped of everything he had worked for.
And Tate were arrested by Romanian police and detained for 24 hours.
Most people would quit there, but he didn't. Why? Because discipline doesn't let you stop. Day after day, he rebuilt from nothing, training his mind, not just his body. He turned online hustles into businesses, sacrifices into strategies, and discipline into his greatest weapon. But success didn't come without storms. His words made him one of the most searched and one of the most criticized men on the internet. Allegations, bans, even a high-profile arrest tried to silence him. For many, that would have been the end. But discipline kept him moving forward, even under the weight of criticism and controversy. Discipline is what turns pain into power, setbacks into comebacks, and failure into fuel. You may not agree with everything Tate says, but his story proves one thing. When you live with discipline, you cannot be broken. So ask yourself, what would your life look like if you lived with that same level of discipline? Because success isn't about luck. It's about what you choose to do every single day.